Hello friends, welcome to our channel Freshest Now. This is Srikanth. So today in this video, let's discuss about computer awareness bits. Before that, let's see the note. Dear aspirants, the bits provided in this video are useful for your revision before the examination. Okay, here is our first bit. Which of the following are computers that are known as number crunchers? And the answer is option 4, supercomputers. Second question, how many bits equal 1 byte? And the answer is option 3, 8. Third question, USB is a common interface that enables communication between devices and a host controller such as personal computer PC. S in USB stand for. And the answer is option 3, serial. Fourth question, what is the extension of MS-DOS command file? And the answer is option 4, COM. Fifth question, WORM is a data storage technology that prevents the drive from erasing the data. What is the full form of WORM? And the answer is option 5, write once, read many. Sixth question, which one of the following software applications would be the most appropriate for performing numerical and statistical calculations? And the answer is option 2, spreadsheets. Seventh question, which among the following is not an input device? And the answer is option 2, plotter. Eighth question, which of the following technologies were used by third generation computers? And the answer is option 2, integrated circuits. Ninth question, which among the following language can be read like regular English? And the answer is option 2, 10th question, what type of device is a computer printer? And the answer is option 2, output. 11th question, World Wide Web is a collection of all information, resources, pictures, sounds and multimedia on the internet which is accessed through. And the answer is option 4, HTTP. 12th question, in context of machine language, which of the following statements is not correct? And the answer is option 2, that is, it cannot be directly understood by the computer and need a translator program. 13th question, whenever the text in a document moves to a new page, it is known as? And the answer is option 2, page break. 14th question, who among the following is known as father of internet? And the answer is option 5, Windkerf. 15th question, in which of the following topology each device is connected to every other device on a network through a dedicated point-to-point link? And the answer is option 2, mesh topology. 16th question, which of the following enters computer through an email or free programs that have been downloaded from the internet and cause plenty of damage? And the answer is option 2, Trojan horse. 17th question, what is the new default document name is MS Word? And the answer is option 5, document 1. 18th question, in Windows computer, the deleted files are transferred to? And the answer is option 4, recycle bin. 19th question, C, Basic and Java are examples of dash languages. And the answer is option 3, high level languages. 20th question, the errors that can be pointed out by the compiler are? And the answer is option 4, syntax errors. 21st question, the first computer mouse was built by? And the answer is option 5, Douglas Engelbart. 22nd question. Which of the devices converts drawing, printed text or other images into digital form? And the answer is option 2, scanner. 23rd question. Which of these companies own the search engine Bing? And the answer is option 2, Microsoft. 24th question. Which menu option is used to add header and footer in a document? And the answer is option 4, insert. 25th question. What do we call the pictorial representation that uses predefined symbols to describe either the logic of a computer program or the data flow and processing steps of a system? And the answer is option 1, flowchart. 26th question. Which among the following is a device that is used in computers to add external components? And the answer is option 3, ports or system boards. 27th question. Which among the following is the most common source of viruses to the hard disk of your computer? And the answer is option 1, incoming email. 28th question. Which among the following is used for removing a software bug or defect which is available for free of cost from the software provider? And the answer is option 4, patch. 29th question. Which of the following key is not found in normal computers or laptops? And the answer is option 1, turn. 31st question. Which of the following generations of computers is associated with artificial intelligence? And the answer is option 5, fifth. 32nd question. A file which has not been altered, compressed or manipulated in any way by the computer is called? And the answer is option 2, raw file. 33rd question. In a computer file system, which among the following is top or first in hierarchy? And the answer is option 1, root directory. 34th question. When some unidentified unknown person firm sends you mail in a trustworthy or lucrative way asking for sensitive banks and online payment information, this is a case of? And the answer is option 3, phishing. 35th question. A network that is connected to the internet but uses encryption to scramble all the data sent through the internet is called? And the answer is option 5, virtual private network. 36th question. The terms good put, throughput and maximum throughput are most closely associated with which among the following in computers? And the answer is option 1, bit rate. 37th question. Dash is a communication technology used by some incoming mail servers. And the answer is option 2, POP. 38th question. The process of transferring files from a computer on the internet to your computer is called? And the answer is option 3, FTP. 39th question. Dash is an area of a computer that temporarily holds data waiting to be processed, stored or output. And the answer is option 4, memory. 40th question. Dash is a collection of data that is organized so that its contents can easily be accessed, managed and updated. And the answer is option 3, database. 41st question. Dash controls the way in which the computer system functions and provides a means by which users can interact with the computer. And the answer is option 4, the operating system. 42nd question, the basic unit of a worksheet into which you enter data in Excel is called a. And the answer is option 2, cell. 43rd question, a dash is a professionally designed empty document that can be adapted to the user's needs. And the answer is option 3, template. 44th question, unauthorized copying of software to be used for personal gain instead of for personal backups is called. And the answer is option C, software piracy. 45th question, when you are working on a document on PC, where is the document temporarily stored? And the answer is option 1, RAM, random access memory. 46th question, dash is collection of web pages and dash is the very first page that we see on opening of a website. And the answer is option 2, website is a collection of web pages and home page is the very first page that we see on opening of a website. 47th question, in first generation of computers they used dash. And the answer is option 1, batch processing. 48th question, which of the following is not example of utility software? And the answer is option 4, media players. 49th question, to move data from one part of the document to another, which of the following is used? And the answer is option 5, cut and paste. 50th question, the speed of computer is defined in. And the answer is option 1, clock speed. 51st question, the vertical blocks in a table is known as. And the answer is option 2, column. 52nd question, a GUID is a 128-bit 16-byte number used by software programs to uniquely identify the location of a data object. What is correct full form? And the answer is option 2, globally unique identifier. 53rd question, which among the following is the chart program that lets users communicate in real time? And the answer is option 4, instant messaging. 54th question, software that disrupts the normal function of a computer is known as. And the answer is option 1, malware. 55th question, if the computer is not able to connect with other computers, it is said to be. And the answer is option 2, offline. 56th question, which among the following is related to remote computing? And the answer is option 1, telnet. 57th question, if you want to insert a chart in your slide, you will go to, and the answer is option 3, insert. 58th question, an internet service provider that provides multimedia interface to available resources is known as. And the answer is option 4, World Wide Web. 59th question, which among the following is known as semiconductor memory in a computer? And the answer is option 3, RAM, random access memory. 60th question, the step-by-step procedure for executing the task is known as. And the answer is option 2, algorithm. 61st question. Which of the following type of network is highly reliable on phone lines? And the answer is option 3, WAN. 62nd question. What is the maximum number of operating system that can work in a computer at a time? And the answer is option 1, 1. 63rd question. In the computer, the screen background is known as, and the answer is option 2, desktop. 64th question. Which among the following type of computer is rare because of the size and cost of it? And the answer is option 2, supercomputer. 65th question. Which among the following is the programming language used in first generation computers? And the answer is option 2, machine language. 66th question. Smart Art is the feature of which among the following versions of MS Office application suite? And the answer is option 2, MS Office 2007. 67th question. How many types of semiconductor memory a computer can have that it uses for the purpose of storage of information? And the answer is option 2, 3. 68th question. If you are not able to download something from a website because of traffic, it is known as, and the answer is option 1, denial of service attack. 69th question. What is the maximum capacity of the single layer Blu-ray disc? And the answer is option 4, 25 GB. 70th question. How many basic logic gates exist? And the answer is option 2, 7. 71st question. Which of the following is the first supercomputer developed by CDAC? And the answer is option 5, PARM 8000. 72nd question. What is another name for Android 10.0 developed by Google? And the answer is option 4, Android Q. 73rd question. Which among the following counting device was developed in China, had rectangular wooden frame and beads on it? And the answer is option 3, abacus. 74th question. Which of the following printers work by melting the solid ink that applies the images to the paper? And the answer is option 3, solid ink printer. 75th question. The full form of BIOS. And the answer is option 1, basic input output system. 76th question. Control plus Y in MS Excel and MS Word is used for? And the answer is option 5. 77th question. Inkjet printer is an example of which among the following? And the answer is option 2, non-impact printer. 78th question. Which among the following stores data of frequently used information from main memory? And the answer is option 4, cache memory. 79th question. In school laboratory, the network that is used is? And the answer is option 3, LAN. 80th question. If you want your computer to start at the stage in which it was turned off, you have to put it in, and the answer is Option 3, hibernate mode. 81st question. In case of computer, which type of menu will show further sub choices? And the answer is option 2, pull down. 82nd question. Which is the program on your computer that appears as genuine application but actually causes damage to executable programs? And the answer is option 1, Trojan horse. 83rd question. In a database, which feature will allow to search for any record contained in it? And the answer is option 2, query. 84th question. Which among the following is used to check whether the user of a website has accessed the content but it works usually invisibly? And the answer is option 4, web beacon. 85th question. How many layers are there in OSI model? And the answer is option 1, 7. 86th question. There are 7 layers in OSI model. What is S in OSI? And the answer is option 3, systems. 87th question. What are the programs which can replicate themselves and at the same time slow down the hard drive by consuming space in it? And the answer is option 1, computer worms. 88th question. Name the device which is used for directing and dispatching data packets between various networks. And the answer is option 3, router. 89th question. What is called as a management system of text in which references are given to various texts by creating associations between them? And the answer is option 2, hypertext. 90th question. Blue line under a text in MS Word means? And the answer is option 1, grammar mistake. 91st question. Name the software that is required to run any hardware component in a computer system. And the answer is option 2, device driver. 92nd question. Which is not a 5th generation high level language? And the answer is option 1, Fortran. 93rd question. Which of the following is a column or set of columns in a table that can uniquely identify and database record without referring to any other data? And the answer is option 2, candidate key. 94th question. AGP slot on a motherboard provides for a direct connection between the card and memory. What does A stands for AGP? And the answer is option 4, accelerated. 95th question. Flash memory is an electronic non-volatile computer memory storage medium. Which of the following is an example of flash memory? And the answer is option 3, pen drive. 96th question. In which type of network topology all the nodes are connected to a single hub through a cable? And the answer is option 5, star topology. 97th question. What do we call the pictorial representation but uses predefined symbols to describe either the logic of a computer program or the data flow and processing steps of a system? And the answer is option 1, flowchart. 98th question. OMR is an electronic method that scans a document and reads the data from the marked fields. What does M stands for in OMR? And the answer is Option 4, mark. 99th question. Which of the following shortcut key save the open document in MS Word like Ctrl S? And the answer is option 3, Shift plus F12. 100th question. Which of the following MS PowerPoint tab holds commands related to the presence of slides like page setup and slide orientation? And the answer is option 3, design. So I hope you all like this video. Please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Freshers Now. Thank you. Have a great day.